Design of my robot, I drew out kind of what I wanted to go for as far as my build. I also drew out my each operation for my arm, my turntable, my claw to grab the can, my arm to pull up the can, my turntable to turn left or right for sorting out the can, and then my build was based off of that and helped me keep everything clean, helped me know where to put everything and how to sort it all out. It was a very easy way so drawing it out was a very easy way to organize my build and how I wanted it to go throughout the course. Alright, here I am writing my functions for individualizing some of my actions during my robot's operation. Here's my arm up. This is creating a function for arm up. So down in my void loop, down here, I can call arm up and it'll call to this operation, this function, all the commands that I want done within that function. So in this one I have my arm right, my delay. So my arm will go up and then my delay, and then it'll go down, or it'll stop at the top of at the finishing point of my action. Same here, I have arm down. So I'm going to call arm down to run the arm of my robot downwards. So right now it's in the up position. I'm going to call arm down within my loop. Up here I'm going to run my upload. As soon as that flashes, I can turn it on. It stops at the end of my function. Okay, here I'm going to call my functions turntable right and turntable left. Down here I'm going to call those functions in my loop, turntable left and my turntable right. It should go left to the point where it'll drop the can, and then it'll go back to my right position, which would be center position. Go ahead and, actually I'm going to go ahead and upload it first. Go here, we'll see my operation. Stops where the can will be dropped. Delays. And goes back to my center position. All my functions are put into one loop. Separate functions for each action. As it line tracks, then it sends out an ultrasonic sensor, an ultrasonic ping to detect where the can is. And then I have a sensor on my robot arm to detect whether the can is black or white. And then it'll determine which side to drop the can on. As it runs the course, the ultrasonic sensor runs off of centimeters, so I have it set to, I believe the furthest distance you can send it out to is like 250 or 300 centimeters. And then as it draws closer, I have it, when it gets to a range of about 25 centimeters, it'll stop and run my functions for picking up the can and sorting out which can is black or which can is white. So as it picks up the black can, it goes to the right side of the bot and drops the can, and the white can is to the left side. So here doing the black can, it's going to the right side of the bot to drop the can. I never actually finished the back part of the robot to set the can into it, but everything else worked pretty well. We'll move on to the next can. Here it sets back to the original position, goes back to my line tracking after that function is done. Again, the function is to line track, then it goes to the can, stops at 25 centimeters, and then runs my functions for picking up the can. Detects whether the can is white or black, brings it up, and drops it to the left side of my bot because it's a white can. And then it goes back to the function of line tracking. So functions are a very simple way to separate each command within your code. Keeps your code very clean, allows you to troubleshoot if you need to in a simpler way, and gives you a bigger range of operations that you can do within that code.
Wanted to do it.